Welcome to the tutorial How to use ARTutor. ARTutor is an augmented reality educational platform. You can use it for free to create your own AR experience. ARTutor uses books as a basis. Augmentations are created and added in the appropriate places in the books with the help of images, videos, sounds and models. To use ARTutor, you need to register and create a user account first. To do so, go to the homepage of ARTutor, select Register, and enter the required data. You will receive a verification email. Once you have confirmed your registration, return to the login. Now you can start with your first project. ARTutor consists of a web platform where you can create an augmented reality experience and a mobile application to view your creation on a mobile device. In the first step to create your own AR experience, you need the book you want to use as a PDF document. Upload it to your account as follows. Once you're logged in, go to My Books, where you will find all the books you have already uploaded. If you want to upload a new one, go to Create. Enter the required data and upload a JPEG of the book cover and the book itself as PDF. Once everything is entered and uploaded, save your book. It will now appear in the list under My Books. Now it's time for the augmentations. The augmentations are placed in suitable parts of the book. Now you need to find and set those parts of the book you find the most suitable for an augmentation. These parts should be images and not texts. Start within your selected book. Go to Augmentations and add augmentation. With the tool Crop, you can select an area in your book where your augmentation should be placed. Crop the corresponding place, for example an image, by drawing a frame around it with your left mouse button. If you're happy with your selection, save the section. If you're not happy, click right and try again. Once you have saved the section, you will return to the augmentation menu. Now give your augmentation a title, select the type of augmentation and upload an image, sound file or another file. With the AR Experience Editor, you can add more complex shapes and models. Once you have entered all the necessary information, click on Save. Your first augmentation has now been added. You can now go ahead and add further augmentations in the same way. To work together on a book, you can give other people access to edit and read the project if you list them under permissions. The app is available for Android and OS devices. For Android devices, the device must support the AR core library in order to install ARTutor. After you installed it on your mobile device, select your book. If you now use your phone to scan selected areas of your book, the created augmentations will appear.